of peace and happiness all around.
That was Sarah. And this is her peaceful planet, Medina. Planet Medina lies in the Andromeda Galaxy. And the way for humans to get there is by spaceships. Lucky for Sarah, she is not human, so she can just teleport wherever she wishes to. Very safely too, of course. Well, most of the times. But peace was disturbed. Foul creatures rise from the planet of Inkar and is coming to Earth.
Sorry, our car broke down.
Hey, it's not your fault.
I hate to trouble you, dear.
Let's go through this together. Okay.
Wait, stop. Stop. I am so useless.
We'll just catch another one. Don't worry.
I'm sorry.
There's a flying guy behind you?
Well, hello. Are you here to help?
Oh yes, certainly. There is certain about it. You puny humans are mere weaklings.
No! No! Help me, someone, please! Help me, someone, please!
What the heck was that? Sounds like Earthling. Sounds serious. Should I call Daddy? Oh, brother. Alright, just do it myself.